dust collection, and then dust, what is that called? HEPA vac right there. Hey guys, so we are on a vinyl tile or vinyl plank project, clip vinyl plank, and as you can see, kind of at the beginning of the video, we were doing the undercut underneath the fireplace, and we come up to the fireplace. I wanted to start on this wall and work that way, but when you live in the middle of nowhere and you don't have a diamond blade for your jam saw, you just can't run to the store around here and get one. So it took 2 days for that to get here. So we decided to start over there, and hey, it worked out. We make it work. But now we're up to the fireplace, and there's no way for us to go underneath that brick and engage the locking system in this at all. And I want it to look good. I think it's going to look the best if we're underneath there. So if you guys don't have one of these, I strongly suggest getting one. I actually saw it used back in 2011 or 2012 at a CFI training for carpet, and I just never bought one, and bought one in 2020, 8 years later, finally bought it. But I don't so much like it for carpet. I mean, it works great for carpet, but the biggest benefit I see for the Cool Glide is my hard surface. Repairs, even carpet repairs are great, but these clip repairs, if you ever have to do these, this thing's awesome. So I'm just gonna show you how to put this a piece like this in. I cut the lock, what's that called? The groove on this side. I cut that completely off. Sometimes I leave that on and I cut the locking off the tongue, I think it's called. If I got it backwards, I apologize. But this way I can just kind of drop it in there. I left the tongue on this so I can sit this piece in here so it'll level itself out. It won't be kitty wampus. So I don't want to get too carried away putting this in here, but I'm just going to start over here. I found with this, I can just use them. I know you can use, there's a low, medium, high, but I've just found medium works just fine. And I mean, this is just awesome. I mean, before I used to fight this stuff. I would actually use sheet vinyl seam sealer. And I put that in there, and then we tape it, and you know, you hope when you came back the next day that, you know, it stayed where it was supposed to. We got Chris back on the camera today, guys, so welcome back, Chris. Now this is funny. Did I heat that up already there or not?
No.
I don't remember if I did or not, but we're gonna do it again. All right, guys, floor is finished, and you can just see it's absolutely fantastic. Chris is gonna zoom in here, and you're gonna see why it was so important for us to undercut this. But you can see how this block just goes in and out. And you've probably, maybe you guys have, maybe you haven't, but you've all had that ad where that little tool that it'll show you how, the little needles that go in there, and then you can scribe to this. But I don't believe that even looks good, because you'd have to caulk it or something. But this looks good. Everything looks really fantastic on this. This is how you want to do it. And this is why, this is the difference between, I guess, like a DIY or somebody with not experience to somebody with some experience, because this is what a professional installation should look like. So just wanted to show you that. More videos to come, and thanks again.